What is up, YouTube? Sometime back, you guys asked me through an Instagram poll to create a video on bike maintenance. Today, you guys are going to see my personal style of bike maintenance. Stick around.
Ideally, it's great to have a paddock stand for this job, as it frees the movement of the rear wheel and the chain and makes the job a lot easier.
So, however, you do not need a paddock stand for this job. It can very easily be done on the side stand as well. It's just a little more work. You either have to move the bike to and fro to move the chain, or tilt it over onto the side stand and rotate the wheel to get entire coverage of the chain. Once again, this is my personal style of maintenance, and it's no hard and fast rule for you guys to follow these steps.
Even though we want the best for our motorcycles, the chain is one of the most easily overlooked parts and is prone to corrosion, drying up and rusting.
So personally, the products that I use for chain cleaning and lubing are the Motul Chain Clean and the Motul Chain Lube. There are a lot of other alternatives on the market, such as WD-40 and kerosene to clean the chain. People go as far as using gear oil to even lube the chain. However, I personally trust these two products, and that's what I'm using today.
I personally like to clean and lube my chain at frequency intervals of roughly a month based on the usage patterns of my motorcycle. These, however, certainly differ from user preferences and patterns.
So now that we're done with the chain cleaning and the chain lubing, we come to cleaning and polishing the bike. I don't usually wash the bike a lot, as it leads to corrosion, rusting, stuff like that. I prefer to dry wipe it and dry polish it down. I've been using the Armourall original Protectant for the last 5 years. I used it on my previous bike as well, and it helps maintain the vinyls, plastics in pristine condition. So let's see what it can do today.
All you need to do is spray the product onto the surface of the bike and use a soft cloth or a microfiber cloth to spread it and wipe it away. I usually follow the cleaning and polishing routine from one Saturday to another, as I use my bike for Sunday morning rides. This also helps me keep a routine check on the bike. Besides these steps, it's a good idea to maintain regular tire pressures and look out for any wet patches on the floor during cold starts. Also look out for any abnormalities that catch your eye.
If you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.